In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your OneDrive storage. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting familiar with OneDrive, understanding how much storage you have left is crucial for managing your files efficiently. So let's dive right in and walk through this process together, step by step. To get started, go ahead and open your preferred web browser. Once you're there, you're going to type in onedrive.live.com into the address bar and press enter. This will take you to the homepage of OneDrive, which is Microsoft's cloud storage service. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your Microsoft account credentials, your email and password to access your account. Being signed into your account is necessary for checking your storage, so make sure you get this step right. Once you're on the OneDrive homepage and logged in, you'll find yourself in the main dashboard where your files are displayed. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you will see a gear icon which represents the settings menu. Click on it to reveal a drop down menu with several options you might find useful later. However, for today we'll focus on finding out our storage details. After clicking on the settings icon, you'll see an option labelled Options in the drop down. Go ahead and click on this option. The options page will then open up, showcasing several functionalities regarding customizing and managing your OneDrive. This is the section where you can tweak different settings to tailor your OneDrive experience, but for today we'll stick to the task at hand, which is managing storage. Next, direct your gaze once more to the sidebar that appears on the left side of the screen after you've opened the options page. Among the listed items, there's a key feature called Manage Storage. Click on it. This section is specifically dedicated to displaying your storage status, showing how much space you've used and how much is remaining out of your allocated quota. This information is displayed clearly, often accompanied by a graphical representation, which makes it easier to understand at a glance. Understanding your storage needs is vital, especially if you're using OneDrive to back up important files. Keeping track of your usage ensures you won't run into issues when attempting to upload new documents, photos, or videos. If you're running low on space, consider clearing out unneeded files by syncing them to a local drive, upgrading your plan, or just taking a bit of time to declutter things. With these simple steps, you now know exactly how to check your OneDrive storage. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials that will help you manage your digital life more smoothly. See you in the next video.